You can pause this whenever you'd like. Probably pause it after each question. You can write your answers on the page. Number 1, on which day did the library receive the most visitors? Number 2, approximately how many visitors came to the library that day? Number 3, why do you think that day had the most visitors? Number 4, approximately how many visitors came to the library on Monday? Number 5, describe the pattern you see in the number of visitors from Wednesday to Saturday. So, does it stay the same? Does it go up? Does it go down? Number 6, create one question that could be answered from the graph. If you'd rather me come over and you just tell it to me, we can do that now. Just put up your hand and wait till I come to you. Next sheet. Worksheet number 2. Which day had the highest temperature? Number 2, what was the temperature on Saturday? Number 3, how much higher was the highest temperature recorded on Saturday than the highest temperature recorded on Monday? If you need a hint, look at the temperature on Saturday, look at the temperature on Monday, and then subtract them to see how much higher the other one was. Number 4, discuss any patterns that you can see shown in the graph for the temperature over the week. So, does it always go down? Does it go up at a certain day and then go back down? Does it always go up? Number 5, the people who made this graph took the temperature several times a day. Can you tell from the graph on which day they recorded the lowest temperature? Give reasons for your answer. If you need a hint, think about how do you know which temperature they picked for that day. The title of the graph is the highest temperature that was recorded the day. We don't know anything about the lowest. Number 6, how could the people taking the survey have improved their graph to give a better idea of the temperature over the whole week? For a hint, do you know exactly what each one is? Next one is worksheet number 3. Number 1, in which month did the amusement park receive the most visitors? Number 2, how many visitors came to the park that month? Number 3, why do you think so many visitors came during that month? Number 4, how many visitors in total came to the park during September, October, and November? For a hint, you might want a calculator, and remember that total means to add them up. Number 5, describe the pattern you see in the number of visitors from April to November. Does it go up? Does it go down? When does it go up? When does it go down? When does it stay the same? Number 6, why does December not follow the pattern that you've seen? Can you think of any reasons why? If you'd rather answer out loud, you can put your hand up and I'll come over to you when I can. Number 7, what might explain the number of visitors to the park during February and March? For a hint, maybe think about Upper Clements Park or another amusement park somewhere in Canada. Then the last sheet about the hippos. Here's the questions for the hippos. Number 1, in 2010, what was the population of the hippos? Number 2, how many hippos were there in 2007? Number 3, in which year did the hippo population reach 30 in number? Number 4, which year recorded the minimum hippo population? If you need a hint, remember minimum just means the lowest. And number 5, how many more hippos were recorded in the year 2008 than 2006? If you need a hint, look at 2008 and 2006. If you're looking for how many more it is, that's when you subtract.